everyone, take 2 sections from the front, make 2 braids on either side of it both. Then at the bottom, join these braids to it after crisscrossing it in the middle. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts and then divide the braids accordingly as well. Make 2 ponytails at the bottom as such. Next, take a section from the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it at the back. Take 2 more sections of the hair from the front and then join it at the back. Tie a rubber band to it. Repeat the step one more time and then once you reach the base, begin to braid the hair as such. Tie a rubber band to it, another of the same color once you're done. Add a decorative pin at the top. You may do this at every layer to make it look all the more better. Next, make 2 braids at the bottom, crisscross them and then join them to the top ponytails you have created. Make 2 braids out of the top ponytails as well and then cross them at the top and tie a big clip to it. We have added a big bow clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, then add a bow with the ribbon to it. Then, taking the sections of the ribbon, use it as a section of the braid. Make a braid out of this as such. Alternate between the part of the ribbon that is being used as a part of the braid. Be careful with how you use this and try to make it come in the center at all times. This is what it should look like. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. You may also use the ribbon in order to create a bow at the bottom. Next, take a section from the front of the hair, make 2 braids out of it. After this, take another section from the middle portion of it and then attach one of the braids to this section. Next, take a section from the front and then begin to braid the hair. Make a French braid out of it as such. Then, tie a section up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Bring in both the braids that you have created through the section and then add a big decorative bow to it. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add a big ribbon with a bow to it. Then divide the hair into 2 parts, that is the ponytail. Using the sections of the ribbon as a part of the braid, braid the hair. You should have made 2 braids as such. Now twist the hair one on top of the other and then tie a rubber band at the base. Once you have done this, you may also tie another bow. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then leave a section at the bottom. Create multiple sections at the bottom by tying multiple rubber bands as such and then join it with the top ponytail. Twist one section over the other and then roll it up into a bun. Once you are done with this, either tie a rubber band or fasten it using some clips. Thank you for watching.